Senior citizens, me sure say what Justice Blay, radio so and time video so about say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne contract nsema abeto dwa say Kotoko Emma Justice Blay akọ for free. Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC no e de nchirechemu tenten aba regarding reportage anenemu, especially baby na de ni free ba no na sebi ade we de I na me pese me go into it so much, but baby a free ba no na OYEREPA FM sports journalist omo frɛ no Zakito. Yes, Zakito Said, I think so. Ono ene kofa asasem ne baaye na etore bi asem no eba na efri OYEREPA FM ade amanfo kan say enam say enam say but eno de yemfa nto baabi ne yenhwe nsem no mankasa ede na brante no kokan brante na oye adwuma wo OYEREPA FM ho no nsem be na ode kotu udwa okoka say Justice Blay Kumasi Asante Kotoko for ema no only 6 months, but Kotoko say enye sanete into 6 months no kire se Kotoko de man as a proposal no na Justice Blay say on tiase e na Kotoko management ne say sanete dia ene ko free. But in all this, Kumasi Asante Kotoko I release a statement. My statement in the screen so was a club statement on Justice Blay. Asante Kotoko Sporting Club has learned with shock stories making rounds in the media that management is reluctant about renewing the contract of the player Justice Blay, which is set to expire in few days. That is say or me bone to for say Kumasi Asante Kotoko esua mate de ekoso ne say management no ayo madwen say omo extend Kotoko or Justice Blay's contract no, which is set to expire in few days. Yeah. And now say we wish to place on record that these stories making rounds have no basis and are born of malice. Because of malice and just malice ostentability aimed at causing dissatisfaction to the club. Let's just say create confusion in the club. For the records, the club presented a proposal to the player, which included the length of the contract renewal and financial consideration. It must be made clear that at no point was 6 months contract proposed to the player. When it comes to us, as a surprise that a discussion between the player who intimidated to us today, January 9, 2024, that he was going to get his management to conclude discussion with us will be in the media, when in fact both the player and the club have not agreed anything in principle other than the proposal given to the player, which is frankly does not even include 6 months. Let's just say 6 months as a man make no now shooting it down completely. Say no cribia in this answer. Yes, we urge our supporters to remain calm and be circumspect about what is being circulated, especially on social media, as the information out there is totally false. Let us take this opportunity to inform our teaming supporters and the public that at all times the club will endeavor to operate professionally, devoid of any external pressure or personal sentiments. In the interest of both the club and the player will be ultimately be considered. And thank you, signed management, which is basically the Kotoko IMC. So in some na omabone tofa in a press statement no kribie nim asema nsentroni OYEREPA FM bekan no kribie nim. So these are the facts. But as be bro to mfo nyankopon eme nyina ntiase.